Welcome and welcome you all to my channel. If this is the first time of coming to my channel, thanks a lot. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, like, share and subscribe. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make your pleats, making use of this presser foot. So what this does is it enables you to make pleats accurately, making use of the same centimeter and the same inches to make your pleats. So what you have to do to get yours, I'm going to put down the details down below in case you want to order for yours, okay? So one thing I want you to know about this presser foot is it's very handy and it works with all types of machine. And what this does is it makes your pleats to be equal, making sure that it has the same centimeter. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you do, drop your questions, your topics down below at the description, at the comment section. So the first thing you have to take note of when you want to get yours is to ensure that this moves freely even before setting it on the machine, and you also ensure that you also have this moving this way while before you fix it on the machine. So now let's move to the machine and let me show you guys what you have here. So all you have to do is to make sure that this moves into your needle holder, it stays at this your needle holder, and then you clip this part to where you have your foot. So we go ahead and fix it this way. It's as simple as A, B and C, and you go in and screw it back. So if you want to order for this foot, kindly place your order. I'm going to put down the details down below. So you screw this and make sure it's firm. So this is what we have here. All you have to do is to make sure you clip this in your needle holder this way, and you tighten your knot. I hope you guys can see. So your needle still remains the same. You just fix this in. Make sure this holder holds this needle holder, and you tighten your knot carefully. You can look when you check this carefully. You will see that it has numbers. This is 12, 6, and 1. So wherever you fix it in like this determines how your gather space is going to be. And also for this screw also moves. It moves this way while you are sewing, so you make sure you tighten this knot. And so I'm going to show you guys when you put it in 12, when you put it in 6, and when you put it in 1, what you are going to have at the end of it. So now let's start from 12 because this is going to give us a very spacious gathers. So what you just have to do is to go ahead and sew it this way. And as you can see, while you are sewing it straight, it gathers itself up. By the time you make use of this 12, look at what we have for the gathers. It's a very big gathers for our 12 inches. It's a very big gathers for our 12 inches. So now the next thing I have to do is to show you guys how to make use of the next one, which is 6 inches. So I'll go ahead and sew it. For our 6 inches, look at what we have. You can see that the gathers is small compared to what we have for our 12, which is actually a big gathers. So the 6 inches. So now let's move it to 1 inch. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, kindly do so and click on that button, and you can order for this foot. I'm going to put down the details down below. So now for this 12, this 1 inch is going to give us like a very tiny stitch, okay? And don't forget to also ensure that you also set it at this lower side also. While you move the upper one, you also set this lower side also. So now I'll go ahead and sew with this 1 inch and show you guys what it looks like. So you can see what we have for our 1 inch. This is actually very tiny. So when you want to make like a gathers, and one thing about this is that you don't have to pleat. You just sew and it gathers up itself. Just make sure you set this accurately. So look at the 1 inch. The 1 inch is actually very tiny for your gathers. You want to make children wear, you want to make like a gathers top. So this is what you use. And for a bigger pleat of it, we have this for 6 inches. And for the big gathers, we have this for 12 inches. So if you find this video very educative, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, like, share and subscribe, and order for this gathers food on our channel. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.